with Rovithis Realty. We're here at 389 Falley Drive in Westfield, Mass. One of my favorite features is the newly updated kitchen with the granite center island where the kids can do their homework while you're cooking dinner. I also love the brand new gas fireplace in the spacious living room. This home also features a very large master suite that has sliders out to the backyard. This private backyard features a gazebo and an in-ground saltwater swimming pool. I hope you enjoyed your tour here at 389 Falley Drive in Westfield. If you have any questions, please call the number below. And at Rovithis Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.